Alright, this is Collins safety eraser. There's a case. Self-shaving. How about that? Inside here is the storage where there are several more blades. Here is the Collins eraser. It is functional. Wind it, flip the switch, switch up for off, down for on, up for off, down for on. On a full wind, it goes for about 3.5 minutes, I would say. But you can't shave with it anyway because the blades don't exist anymore. One cool feature about this, let me turn it off, is when you want to open it, because the blade is here and you're moving and you don't want to slice your fingertips open, you can go clockwise and the guard comes up to block the edge to make it safe to undo this and not slice the hell out of yourself, which is very thoughtful of them. The way this works is, I'll try to do this without cutting myself. The blade sits on these pins. Sorry. And you hold on. So, I'm going to do this not look around the camera and do this because otherwise I will really screw it up. Okay, we're on the pins. Down. Screwed on, nice and tight. Then there's this floating piece. Goes down, then you just twist until it engages. Then it's actually easier than I'm making this look right now because I'm trying to do it around the camera. Now you go counterclockwise to expose the exposure again of the blade, flip the switch, and there you go. It's very inventively dangerous in some ways and quite thoughtfully safe in others. As you can see, moves at a good clip. Very quiet. Some of the ones I've heard on here have been really loud, but this one is silky and quiet. It's really nice in that respect. Anyway, this is the Collins safety razor, the self-shaving wind-up version. It's very weird. That's all I have to say about it. Down, it's up. I think eventually they modified these where you had 3 positions. All the way up was slow, all the way down was full speed, and then middle was off. But this says off and on, and it's at its use again. Anyway, that is the Collins safety eraser. Thank you.